A game called Will It Microwave. We're gonna put a lot of random things in a microwave and we're gonna heat up and we're gonna see what happens.
Y'all ready to start with the first object?
Oh my god. No, it's gonna smell so bad, bro. We can't do it. We can't start with that.
I've heard that when I was a kid, you put this in there, it like has plasma rays and ish like that. So
Where'd you hear that from?
My dad.
Big fan of plasma rays.
Okay.
Oh god.
Oh shoot, wait, what? Oh, it's melting!
We're all gonna end this video with cancer. This is what we've always wanted to do as kids, so like now we're finally doing it.
You're right. Follow your dreams. Are you ready, bro?
This one's gonna be really
Goodbye, Dorito bag.
Oh my god! Oh, dude!
We created a time traveling
Oh
machine.
my god!
Next object.
Oh! Look at that! They have boobs, dude.
Special guest.
Special
Devin.
guest,
What's the
Devin!
next item?
That one.
What?
What?
Wait, did
What?
nothing happen?
Why would you do that?
This is a neighbor's problem now.
Dude, I was in their pool. Do you think it's time for the light bulb?
It's time for the light bulb.
Oh my god, on fire!
My disco ball! I didn't agree to this!
Really?
Yeah, you can go for it.
Welcome to the 70s. Oh, it's literally on fire! Dude, turn it off, turn it off! Oh my god, get the water, get the water! Oh my god! No one moved a single second, what the heck?
Shut the door. It has 20
It has
seconds.
20. 3 more seconds.
Oh god, it's sparking! Oh my god! Let's make that like a bomb.
You want to wrap it in the
Let's
foil?
wrap it in the aluminum
I was
foil.
kidding.
Okay, I'll put like a big thing in them, like right there, and we're gonna wrap it. Ready?
It's ready. Ah! Look at it! That's the coolest thing in the world! Oh no, no, what? No, 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 no! All right, let's do something more fun, like glow sticks. Start with like 1 or 2, and then we'll throw the whole thing.
Look at the beautiful color.
Oh, dude, they're getting so much more vibrant. Yes, this is how you make a party. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Dude, it's getting bigger!
Oh! It's a huge flame! Oh! Oh, it's fire! It's fire! Oh! Oh, it's smoking. That's aluminum, so it'll blow up just like the last.
Oh, God. Go, go! Yeah! Oh! 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 Open that! That was the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life!
Spinning.
Whoa! Oh, God. Oh!
This is the first ever flaming spidget finish.
This is so exciting!
I think that we need 10 more seconds.
10 more?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh! Oh, God! Oh, God! Oh, God!
What was that for?
No! I have an idea. What if we microwave the microwave? Oh, God! Ah!
Okay, I think the fire went out.
Yeah, I think it's good now.
Okay. Wow! Wow!